Most trading platforms either bombard you with too much information or make things way too simple. But what if there was a platform that actually struck the right balance between the two? I recently came across Virpoint, and honestly, in this video, I'll tell you what caught my eye and whether they're actually worth your time. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video so you can really see how good Virpoint is. Before you decide to trade cryptocurrencies, please think about your risk tolerance. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm now on Virpoint's official website. If you want to check them out, I'll pop the link in the description below, or you can just head over to virpoint.com. So first things first, if we have a look at the website and we're now on the homepage, you'll notice it's got a clean, modern design, and it's not confusing because no beginner trader wants a website that's hard to navigate. And honestly, nothing ruins the experience faster than a complicated, confusing website. We can literally go through the website right now, and as you can see, you can get all the info straight away, and you'll know exactly where to go. They've got clear sections here, the trading section, company section, and even different. And the navigation's really smooth as well. So as you can see, right here it says, master the markets and own the moment. You can see exactly what you're able to try. So right here, you can see CFDs on ETFs, shares, Forex, commodities, and digital assets, all with real-time execution, razor-sharp precision, and limited risk. That's something you want to look for when you're choosing a crypto platform, that they actually offer a wide variety of options for you to trade, just like the markets here. So they provide everything you'd want to trade. You can even contact support right here, and you can get started straight away by clicking the Start Trade button. So let's move on to the next section. Just quickly scrolling through the website, you can see that you can trade and even invest, which is pretty cool. And right here, you can get real-time guidance when you create an account. You can expand your knowledge, trade with confidence, and manage your risk, because managing your risk as a trader is probably the most important part of trading. So as you can see here, one account and endless opportunities, and you can go and do a bit more research. But now I'm going to head over to the trade section and the accounts. So you can actually go and get different accounts right here. So you can see the basic plan here, and you can compare accounts as well, because you got the Prime, the Apex, the Alpha, and the Zenith. So you can compare the accounts here, and here you can actually see the difference. So you can see the spreads. For example, the leverage is entry level compared to upgraded and maximum level. Markets analysis tools, so you get different tools and you get educational resources. So for the basic, it'll only be basic resources, but once you get to the Prime account, you can actually get unlimited access. You can get a weekly market newsletter, which is really important because as a trader, you want to stay up to date with the latest news. You can see the dedicated specialists that you get once you move past the Prime account, and you can see guaranteed stop loss, a dedicated team, and you can see the support right here and priority transactions, which is pretty cool. So it's really good that Virpoint have a wide variety of accounts. So whether you're a beginner trader looking for a basic account or a really advanced trader after the Zenith account, they've got something for everyone. And that's really important because it caters for every type of trader out there with different trading styles and levels of experience. So if I scroll back up, we can go to trade and have a look at the fees and charges. So as you can see, they've got no hidden fees, progressive account tiers, and revamped commissions. So they say right here, the competitive spreads is 0.01%, and for crypto and stocks, it's 0.025, which is pretty competitive for the market in 2026. Right here, you can read about deposits and withdrawals. No deposit or withdrawal fees, which is really good because I can't stand it when I have to use the platform, deposit money and cop a fee, then withdraw and get hit with another fee. So you can see right here, there might be possible third-party charges, but they won't slug you with extra fees, all right? As you can see here, under additional fees, there's overnight funding, upgraded services, and maintenance and inactivity fees. And as you can see here, there's a 20% performance-based fee, but only when you make a profit. So they're really competitive when it comes to their pricing and fees. So as you can see here, there's transparent pricing and powerful trading. Alright, so the next section we're heading to is deposits and withdrawals, and this will show you how you can actually make a deposit. So you can deposit with cryptocurrency, or you can use a credit card or even a wire transfer. They give you a few different options for funding your account, which is pretty cool. So your money won't get stuck in crypto, you can move it from crypto, your credit card, or even a bank transfer. That's really important, and if we have a look here at account security, you'll see they actually have strong security protocols, vigilant monitoring, and they comply with regulations. So they're pretty well secured too. So you won't end up losing your money in these accounts because they'll protect you from scams. And they've got a good support system in place as well. I'd say Virpoint is pretty good because they give you the option to trade across a range of different markets, like stocks, forex, commodities, and ETFs, which is exactly what you want as a trader. They're also really upfront about their fees, and they're very competitive. They don't charge heaps of fees. You can withdraw and fund your accounts in a bunch of different ways, so they don't box you in or restrict you there either. And last but not least, they cater for every type of trader with different styles, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even an advanced trader. They'll look after you. So I'd definitely say they're worth checking out. If you're after a platform that's easy to get around and gives you access to a range of different markets, I'd highly recommend you go and check out Virpoint. I'll pop the link down in the description of this video so you can go and check them out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.